I know I'm going to owe taxes for this tax year, and I just can't bring myself to file the return saying I owe taxes but not putting the money in with it. Is that a bad idea? My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and creditors' rights in Maryland, Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Virginia. And yeah, that's a really bad idea, because if you have a W-2 or 1099, first of all, the IRS is going to know that you're out there, so they're going to start moving against you sooner or later because they'll know that you had income. And second of all, if at some point you may want to file bankruptcy and get the benefit of discharging those taxes, which you can do, the court is going to look at whether you timely filed your tax returns and when you filed your tax returns, depending upon what jurisdiction you're in. If you haven't filed your tax returns more than 2 years before you filed the bankruptcy case, those taxes may not be dischargeable. Even worse, the IRS can file a tax return for you. That's called a substitute for return. And if the IRS has filed a substitute for return and later on you want to try to discharge those taxes in bankruptcy, you'll never be able to do it, because it's as if you never filed a tax return, even if you turn around and file a return after the IRS files one for you. So the better bet, even though it's embarrassing and even though it's a little scary, is to go ahead, file the return without the payment, and deal with the IRS in a normal installment payment or some other basis, so that at least you're of record and you have preserved your rights later on. My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and creditors' rights. And if you have a question about what to do if you owe money in taxes, please pick up the phone and call me. I would love to hear from you.